for the right vehicle? Check out 2018
Jeep Wrangler JK. The Wrangler JK is built with adventure in mind. Its rugged style is paired perfectly with power and performance. Not to be outdone, the interior comes equipped with plenty of technology, storage, and sound system capabilities.
This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, dual airbags, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, floor mats, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, four-wheel drive, cruise control, 8 speakers, AM/FM stereo radio, center armrest, CD player, trip computer. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.